Arielle, and I'm here today live with ArtSphere Inc. Today we are going to be learning about adjectives, and after we learn a little something about adjectives, we're going to be doing a really fun game called Adjective Monster, which incorporates all the adjectives we're about to learn about. This game is super easy to play and it's really fun, so feel free to follow along and please do it at home because again, it's super fun and it's really easy to do. The only materials you'll need to play this game are 2 sheets of paper, colored pencils, scissors, and something to pull pieces of paper out of. This could be a sorting hat or a cup. I personally used a bucket, but feel free to be creative with that. So yeah, let's begin. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to describe a noun, meaning a person, place, or thing. It is used to help provide information. An example right off the top of my head would be, the grass is green. Green is our adjective, grass is our noun, because the adjective is describing the noun. Green is describing the grass. Adjectives can be used to describe many various things such as size, color, shape, sound, taste, smell, and much more. More examples would be, the man was tall. Tall is our adjective. Margaret wore a beautiful hat to the pie eating contest. Beautiful is our adjective. The scariest villain is Darth Vader. Scariest is our adjective. That cow sure is happy. Happy is our adjective. It sure smells gross in the bathroom. Gross is our adjective. Her voice was pleasant. Pleasant is our adjective. So now that we know a little bit about adjectives, let's move on to our game. So the purpose of this game is to draw a monster, adjective monster, using the adjectives you've picked out of a hat, or again in my case, a bucket. You will pick 12 adjectives out of your hat or bucket or whatever you decide to use. Now these 12 adjectives will be used for the monster's head, body, arms, legs, hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, and teeth. I'm going to repeat that one more time just so we can be definitely clear. These 12 adjectives will be used to draw the head, body, arms, legs, hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, and teeth of our monster. So you can use any of the 12 adjectives for any of these categories, but you do have to use all 12 of the adjectives you pick. So your first step is going to be to cut out little pieces of paper and to write at least one adjective on each piece of paper, like so. So for this one I wrote blue, and then I just stick it right here into my sorting tool. And then I also wrote happy, and then I just stick it right into my sorting tool. I would say to try and at least think of 15 adjectives to put into the sorting tool, just so it will be a surprise what you pick. And I would also say to mix up the categories, don't make it all just color or all just size or all just shape, because then it's more fun. You have a mixture of categories for drawing your monster. So now that you have all of your pieces of paper with one adjective on them, it's time to pick your 12 adjectives. The 12 adjectives that I picked were round, colorful, skinny, yellow, wavy, curvy, spiky, small, pointy, long, wide, and sharp. So now I'm going to use those 12 adjectives to draw my monster. Again, I'm going to be using them to draw the head, body, arms, legs, hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, and teeth of my drawing, my adjective monster. And I can use each adjective in whatever category I like. And so I did. See, this is my adjective monster, and I used my 12 adjectives I picked out of my little sorting bucket to draw him. My monster has a round head and a colorful body, skinny arms, and yellow legs, curvy fingernails on his hand, and wavy feet. My monster has spiky eyes and pointy ears. My monster has a small nose and a wide mouth, And my monster has a long neck and sharp teeth. This game was incredibly fun, and as you can see for yourself, I'm not the best artist of all time, but I really enjoyed drawing this. And it was super easy, and in the process I got to learn a lot about adjectives, and it reinforced my use of adjectives, and it was just really fun and a surprise because you never know what you're going to pick out, especially the more you put into the bucket. So I would really suggest doing this at home. Again, it's super easy to make, and I would love to see what you come up with and your own adjective monsters. So please share those on Instagram or Facebook using the hashtag ILoveArtsphere.inc, and I will be sure to check them out. Also, please check out our website, artsphere.com or .org, and because there's so many other great classes and projects and handouts there as well. And I hope you had as much fun as I did tuning in today, and have a great day. Thanks.